not get sticky hands. Oh, too many times in.
You just when you drop that fucker in there.
Yeah, and you're like,
I'll fish the bastard again. Smells alright.
Bit what?
Bit burny.
Leave that old one on there. The new one got dirty through Insta.
Yeah. Wine. Yeah, boost. Genuine.
Careful with her.
Genuine Garrett boost.
Dyno day in the workshop, so I've got the headphones on. The turbo's been fitted up by Josh in his spare time and looking pretty good, sort of room wise. Just going to get the car up and take that back off now because we need to transfer all the lines, oil feeds, coolant feeds, and get her all switched over from the old turbo to the brand new Garrett. So yes, we've gone all out. We've got a brand new Garrett GT 2560R. So happy with this. As you can see, the hot side is a lot smaller than the cold side, which is what we were worrying about before, it being so close to the firewall, to the lines and everything. So that is looking decent. Next day delivery, so we're ready to rock. Hoping you guys are as stoked as I am about getting this. So there's a fair bit of background noise in this video, just because this MX-5 is being dynoed by Mark. Spitting a cheeky little flame as well while she's at it. Josh is cracking on with undoing the sump. Obviously we've drained it now, so we just need to take the sump off, ready to drill the block. And yeah, we're going to just crack on moving those lines over to the new Garrett, and yeah, drilling the block in this video. So let's get to it.
So what you've got when you clock the turbo, the inner part of the housing, I mean it's different on older style turbos like that. You've got a snap ring in the back, and the snap ring sits in there and holds the seal tight against the CHRA. In this, you've obviously got these brackets and then the wastegate holding it on. It's just got a really thin O-ring around there that seals it up. So what you do, it's got a little bit of grease on it, so you can sort of freely just clock it where you want it. But we're interested in is clocking that, because that's to drain the turbo. So oil goes in. Because when this was a factory fitted turbo, it would have been sat like that. So the oil drain was at the bottom. And now we're making it 90 degrees opposed. We're doing it that way. You've got to unbolt all of these. And then you clock that so it's down. So it's easy because obviously you want 90 degrees to that, so you just aim it straight down. Pretty fucking simple. So you've got 12 mil there.
The hook.
And then this is really fucking skinny.
Got a little hook.
So you know, you can't get some of it, it's just a pain in the ass. Because they're not. GT2560 technically is an aftermarket turbo, but they always clock it from factory. Just knit those up quickly. You can drill it off. If only I did more than one Renault. Ever. Right, so that's that clock. So now we know it oils down. So that will fit straight on. And then we got that clock. So we went that way.
So you say we do use these on this
Yeah, so they all pretty much, no matter if it's aftermarket or whatever, it will run an M14 waterline. The only difference is that the genuine Garretts, I mean I'll double check that just in case, the genuine Garretts is ball bearing. Because it's ball bearing, the genuine Garretts run an M11, it's pretty fucking specific and you want to little one mil restrictor, because it's ball bearing they don't run on much oil. Dyno bearing turbos want the pressure in there and want the oil in there because it's floating on it. That just needs to be lubricated for normal bearing. So you just need like a little bit of oil and it's like square, whereas these are just like
give me the oil.
fucking oil, man. So that's that done. that. So that needs to be clocked. Right, we get 7 miller. Hello 8. Hello 7.
Hello. The ECU has been returned. Is that the only one? Is that the last one?
That's it.
Oh wow. I was gonna have my chip. Another night, just shoved the malware in my mouth, so just don't judge me. He's just got the last one out.
You just got to find the sweet spot, because there's always like a little lever gap. Oh! That's right. Actually, I mean, there you go. You got it?
Wow.
Here's you've emptied it out, so there shouldn't actually be much in it.
Broke it. Correct. Just one. 13. Not particularly far, but...
Through there. Through there. I reckons.
I don't like how there's a little line through that.
I mean, I don't see it being any other way. That is the place for it, isn't it?
Yep.
Alright, cool. See the flat there?
Yeah. Right through there.
So
Either way, that is your only option, that you can't go more that way because there's.
It's nice we can do it from below.
I hate that bit of driven metal when it snags.
Yeah.
Like that.
Gooey.
That's the bit that I absolutely hate doing.
It's also quite brittle.
Looks it, this is going bigger than that.
Yeah.
There we are.
Cut out of it. Sweet.
Yeah, there isn't a lot of play to go too much bigger anyway, is there?
Oh, really?
It's nice that that little groove was there, so you're definitely central.
Yeah. That's why I was walking the drill a little bit.
Yeah.
Right, now let's find out.
Oh, the lube station. Seems quite quick then.
Yeah, it's nice, it's a nice sharp one.
Yeah. What was it, 15? No,
I can't remember now. 15, I think. Yeah, 15.
15.
It's because like the drill for a 5HP, yeah, 3 BSP is like 15.6.
Right.
As long as you've got a decent tap, which we've got a decent tap.
Yeah.
You're pretty alright on.
The brake cleaner.
Yeah, everything cleaner.
Yeah.
Oh, that might have been it.
Only 45 turns to go. Just go all the way through?
No. So it's tapered tap. So you go until you're...
Yeah, until it feels...
Because it's a single-use tap, single-use tap, so it's tapered for a hand. Usually you can get taps at like first stage, second stage, third, and then clean up.
Okay.
but because it's not, you just want to go to the bit where you were like cutting like cleanly. Like that. See how fucking smooth that was?
Yeah, easy now. Yeah.
Goes like that, go a couple of turns in, and then take it out. So that worst case scenario, if you do ever need to re-tap it, you've got more thread on, you can do it, like you chew up the thread with like the thread. If you put the fit in and you fucked up the thread sort of thing,
right,
you can go back in with a tap, clean it up, and then go like another half turn or another turn, and you end up with a little bit more threading to fit the fit in properly. But that should be fucking magic. Okay.
cool.
We'll get the fit in.
Not many threads, is it?
Oh mate, MX5 some tubes have got to work.
Are they?
And they're an alley.
Right.
Trusty Loctite 577.
Wow.
So it's what they use for like everything, some aerospace stuff.
Yeah.
So they use it for like oil, you know what the oil lines under the seat? You can put this shit on like wet fittings and it will sit.
Yeah.
It's pretty fucking good stuff. Might go in another couple of turns. See?
Yeah.
Because we're only on like.
So what are we taking off this then? Just all the lines?
Yeah, all the lines. Dry fit that into your block. Real quickie. And just check. That ain't gonna work, is it?
Too long?
Too long. Makes me wonder where the f he tapped it to. Oh wait there.
Perfect when it's on properly.
Bit pinched up. Might take a little bit of length out of that. Maybe.
Loctite. Marmalade version.
Can we just admire how perfectly fucking concentric that is?
Right on the line.
Look at that.
It's like it was made
It's
for
almost like I know what I'm doing.
Sometimes.
Alright, so that can go on there, that can stay on there. That little peach. Alright, so we don't want that to go back on because it'll be in the way.
How do we work out what this is as well, like bar wise? You know? You said it's about half
bar.
So they're quite long.
Get that a lot.
We've got to go on a bit of adventure. So long.
And that's it for another video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. I feel like we've got quite a lot done. This is sort of 2 days put into one video. Drilling the block was my personal highlight, sort of seeing that get done. A little bit nerve-wracking, but it's all good now and all tapped and ready to rock. And the brand new turbo. Obviously happy I went with Garrett. Want to get it on and want to get it going. Make sure you scroll down and like and comment as you always do, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.